What is up, guys? I am JK4K and thank you so much for tuning into another video. Today I'm going to be talking to you about a major oof I had with one of my favorite travel cameras, the Sony RX100 VII. So we were at a football game, and of course the game we bought tickets to a long time ago was the exact day of a rare tropical storm. So of course the weather was pretty bad and it was raining pretty hard. So what had happened was we had this camera in a camera bag completely zipped up and also inside of another closed bag. Unfortunately though, with the bad rain, somehow water had still made it into the camera bag. So the camera actually had water on the front and basically all over the body. So I was super concerned because this is not a weather sealed camera. And I also didn't realize this until I'd gotten home. So the water had been on it for, at least a few hours or so. So the first thing I did was I took out the battery, because you don't want any power going to the camera when it's wet, and you definitely don't want to turn it on. Then the next thing I did was I took out the memory card, and then on the bottom I also unscrewed the 5 screws that were holding the bottom plate and popped it off. And the reason was I really wanted air to be able to flow well into the camera. The next thing I did was open all of the doors and covers on the camera and also popped up the flash and the viewfinder. I basically wanted the camera to be as opened as it could be without me completely taking it apart. I then set up the camera in front of this air purifier. I let the purifier blow on the camera for around 3 days while occasionally changing the position of the camera to make sure the air was blowing on the camera from multiple angles. I didn't use a hairdryer or anything with a lot of hot air, as the hot air could damage the components on the camera. The reason why I wanted to use an air purifier is because an air purifier will provide a nice stream of clean, super filtered air, so a bunch of dust and dirt won't be pushed inside of it. So after letting the purifier blow on it for all that time, I turned on the camera and it appears to be working perfectly. So I'm very happy about the end result. If you are interested in the Sony RX100 VII, you can visit jk4k.com/rxm7, or I'll have the links below in the actual description, along with some other useful links such as the camera and lens I used to record this video. If you use these links, it does help me out a little bit in making these videos, as I do make a few pennies on the dollar and it doesn't cost you anything extra. Thank you so much for watching and for your support, as I greatly appreciate it. Please comment down below if you have some great tips on saving wet cameras or other types of electronics so we can help each other out. Also, please like and subscribe if you have not already, and have a great day. Peace.